Alright, so I got some new accessories for my Sony A7S3 from SmallRig. They quite often send me a lot of new products to try out for the gear I use to make videos on this channel. So I thought I'd share some of these things and see how useful they are, and also see if these might be useful for you guys if you guys are also creators. Obviously, these will only be useful, at least the cage, if you have a Sony A7S3. Of course, they sell other cages and lots of other accessories. So these are other accessories besides the cage. So this is the cage you'll need to attach other accessories to it. We have a hand strap that's going to go on one side, and then this is one of their new products. This is a side handle, a NATO side handle that actually rotates, and SmallRig uses these numbers to indicate their SKU. So this is the SmallRig rotating NATO handle, 3260 is the SKU, and then the hand strap is PAC 2456, and you can see the SKU for the standard cage is 3180 here on the box. So just a quick look at the cage before we attach it. It's magnesium aluminum alloy, about 128 grams. The cage itself, it comes with this side accessory for the HDMI port. I'll attach that and show you what that looks like. This is obviously, if you're using an HDMI cable, it'll probably keep that secure and won't pop out. And then they include these little Allen wrenches in all of their products. I'm not sure why. I have a ton of these lying around, and that's just to secure any extra screws. So the hand strap is going to go on the right side of the cage, so this will be on this side over here. So you'll have a hole over here for the top side of the strap, and then one on the bottom over here. And then the NATO handle will go over here on the left side. And it looks like this one comes with a quick release, so this will actually attach to the cage, and then the NATO handle will attach to the quick release. But as you can see here on the cage, you got a bunch of 1/4-20 and 3/8-16 threaded holes all around for attaching a variety of different accessories. It could be handles, articulating arms, ball heads, etc. Pretty much whatever gear you want to attach to your camera to enhance the functionality. Alright, so here's what it looks like with the cage attached, and let's see here if anything is blocked. Still have access to the side door. These strap holders are a little in the way. Just have to slide them out of the way. The record button is a little bit blocked, as well as the C2 button, but you can still reach it. Obviously still turn the camera on. All these dials are reachable. And it looks like this is a little bit crooked. You can see here it's off at an angle. And the screw here seems to be blocking, so it won't let me rotate it anymore. The battery door is still accessible. Nothing else seems to be blocked. I think I need to just remove that screw so that it'll line up properly and be parallel. By the way, this little key is on the bottom, and it's magnetic, so it's held in like that. And that's for tightening down the main screw for holding the cage on. And then there's an Allen key on the other side. I think that's going to be for this one here. Yeah, that fits this one. So I'm not 100% sure what this screw's here for. I'm just going to remove it and get it out of the way so that the cage will attach properly. Alrighty, so now the cage is on straight. Doesn't look crooked anymore. Okay, so I'm going to attach the little HDMI holder that's on this side. So I'm going to open up that port, and I think this just lines up right here and screws in. Okay, so this little attachment here is kind of interesting. As you screw it in, this little piece will slide over, and I think that's to hold the cable in place. And then that will kind of squeeze down on the cable. So if you don't have a cable in here, it looks kind of funny because it'll just go all the way over like that. But I believe it's meant for some sort of cable to be in there, and then this will actually squeeze down on the cable and hold it into place so that it doesn't get pulled off. So I'm just going to go ahead and just leave this off for now. Alright, it's a little fiddly to get on, but you can see how this works. It basically provides a little bit of support for the right hand for holding the grip here on the camera. Seems to be pretty good. Alright, so let's get the rotating NATO handle on. Okay, so we've got the quick release plate attached, and this should just slide on. There's a small button here you have to press down, and I think that also prevents it from sliding off. And then there's a latch here, or a lever to tighten down. And I'll tighten that down onto the quick release plate. And obviously right now it's just in this straight formation. And again, like other handles, they have a cold shoe mount, quarter 20 and 3/16 holes. And then to rotate it, you just press down on this lever, and then you can rotate the handle. And then once it's up, it'll lock. So rotate it, rotate it. So this is basically for if you want to hold it, have a good hold on the camera, but you want to hold it at an angle. For example, if you're aim the camera down, for example, but have your hand more upright, you can do that. I'll point the camera down. Let me just show you a few examples here of me actually using it. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Links down in the video description. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.